Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, this drive here was not at all responsive. Not at all responsive. When um, trying to communicate with the board that it came with. So, what we're going to do now is more chip pulling. Oh dear. Don't hurt the capacitors. Don't hurt the capacitors. Okay, so we're going to yank out a 6522 chip. The drive is turned off. We're going to put in the corresponding 6522 chip. Okay. Are we in? We're in. Turn this on. And then we're going to type in run. And this is still quite happy. Happy, 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 happy. Okay. So, more checking. We're going to go for the other 6522 chip. Set it down in the same configuration after which it came out. Take this other one. And we're going to line it up. Put it in. Turn it on. Up it comes. We're going to run. We're still good. All right. So now, I think you know where this is going. We're going to pop this chip out. This is the 6522. Going to set it down in the same configuration. We're going to take the 6522, checking the witness mark, checking everything, lining it up, popping it in. We're going to turn this on. And we're going to run. And we are still working. All right. And now out is the ROM chip, if we can. Funny how some of them just don't want to come. Okay. 901229005. Line it up. Pop it in. Turn it on. Type run. All right. We're still working. All right. Finally, the last ROM chip come out. Put it down in the same configuration. Not that I would screw up on what goes where, but you know, it always helps. We'll turn this on. And we're happy. We're cooking with gas. Yes, we are. Okay, so these chips are all good. So turn this off. We will. And take this out. This is a 6502. I'm trying to keep the original chips, where they were, matching things and all that. One. Oh, 6522. Out. 6522. Out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't give me a hard time. Don't give me a hard time. Don't give me a hard time. Oh, man. Okay, the ROM is out. Come on. One more ROM chip. Okay. So, I'll put these original chips back where they were. One. Two. Oh, things in the way a bit there. 3. 4. 5. Turn this on. And we'll type in run. And it's still doing its thing here. Now I might try something because I can. We're going to save. Oh, this is interesting. I tried to save 2. And it seems that it did it. And it did. All right. We will load 2, 8, colon. There we go. And what is that? It's our same little weenie program here. It just keeps on doing this. All right. So it would seem we have a working drive mechanism. It would seem. Once again, trouble on the board. All right. Well, we're going to turn this off. And extract all the wires one at a time with great care and reverence. Okay. So this is my test board. This actually came from a 1541 where the case is outside, trying to turn white. Which, you know what, I don't think it's been doing such a good job of it. All right, and here is our paper bag. It is our paper bag. So, I mean, I can plug this in. And I can plug all the things in. And now that the drive is kind of working, we can give it a go. But it's not going to do anything different. It is not. Not at all. Not at all. It will be exactly the same. It will not respond. Funny, somehow or another, the Vic-20 is getting reset. Oops. Comma 8. Oh, yeah, that would do it if you don't turn it on. Okay. Yep. That's the same. So, what we're going to do is, these were the chips that were from the other original drive. We're going to yank these out. And the ROM chip. Because it does seem that this board is going to need surgery. And there's nothing wrong with that. Come on. Nothing at all. It's just... we want to get these chips out. Because as I think I mentioned, I sold the SID chip. And indeed, now it was a local pickup. But you know what? For somebody wanting to fix a 1541, it's a lot cheaper to ship a chip. Ooh, I got a bit of a bend on that. Ooh. A lot cheaper to ship a chip than the whole drive, especially the power supply is beastly heavy. So I'm going to take all these working chips from both of the drives. I'm going to put them in this bag so I know where they are. And I'm going to put the screws in the bag so I know where. Did I get that in? I think I did. This can come out. This can sit here. That's turned off. And this can come off. That can... oh, this can come off. Anyway, this is another surgery bound board. It is. So we'll carry on and we'll make notes and we'll see you again. Thanks for coming to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.